team of Sort Easy.
Thank you so much. This is the first time I've actually seen our WeHub team being super vocal. So thank you so much, AHA team, for infusing a lot of corporate energy into our team. I'm really excited and thrilled to introduce the startup, which is going to be the first recipient of our financial engagement, I would like to call it. And the team is Team Sortizy, and it is actually by Surbi and her team. And Sortizy is like Spotify for kitchens. I'll just let you marinate on that for like half a second. See the food pun? I don't think many of you got it, but I'll try my bad jokes anyway. So, anyway, coming down to Sortizy, what Sortizy does is actually gives you access to personalized recipes, and also it gives you access to creating grocery lists, smart grocery lists. And over time, it's going to become a data analytics platform, which is going to tie the home and your grocery store together, that you never have to go to a store ever again, or even think about what you want to shop about. So that is, I'm hoping, not becoming the big six. So that is what Sortizy is. And this is Surbi, the founder of Sortizy. I'd like to invite Meghna
Surbi
and
Guha and Shakti Prakash
Shakti
on stage
Prakash also,
with the team.
please. Yes. Sir.
And this is a check of 5 lakh rupees that Team AHA is presenting to the team of Sort Easy with the aid of WeHub. This is a great collaboration. Thank you so much, Team WeHub, for letting Team AHA come here and make this happen. And ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఇలాంటి అసోసియేషన్స్ ఇలాంటి కొలాబరేషన్స్ ఇంకా చాలా జరగబోతున్నాయి వచ్చే సంవత్సరంలో. యా Congratulations, Surbi and Shakti. Would you like to say a few words?
So good evening, everyone. First of all, a big thank you to AHA and WeHub for giving us this opportunity. And we are proudly supported by them throughout. And I would like to take one moment to talk about what we are building, the tech platform. So as Deepti ma'am said, that the Spotify is there for music. The way AHA is revolutionizing the way we consume web series and the entertainment content. So Spotify is there to revolutionize Indian home kitchens. So we are building an application and we are striving to put millions of recipes which are standardized and personalized to Indian taste and preferences. Then we are building tools to automate and help millennials and all users manage their groceries at home. And also the way people will like to consume the content, the multimedia content to cook good food at home and run their kitchens efficiently. And also, after watching 11th hour trailer, I literally got goosebumps, and I'm like really excited for it. I'm sure it's going to be very inspiring. And thank you so much again for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Surbi. That was really interesting. Thank you for sharing a little more about your business with us.
Put the revolving fund Shakti,
Woman in focus, Surbi, on the seat, please.
Did you want to speak about So the interesting thing about this is not a grant. This is not a grant of 5 lakhs that is given to Sortizy. It is actually an interest-free loan for about 1.5 years. And the reason why we are doing this is, as a government, we do a lot of grants, as a lot of entities do a lot of work through their CSR activities. But the uniqueness of this is that it's going to be an interest-free grant for about 1.5 years. And then Surbi will not pay back to us. She will actually be on the selection committee to choose the next entrepreneur who will be actually getting this money. So we are making sure that every entrepreneur who actually gets the support pays it forward. And I think to have more women in leadership, more women in entrepreneurship, and have a more balanced world, I think what Meghna spoke about, the only way to do it is pay it forward. And we are hoping that the amount of money that we are talking about goes a very long way and can impact a lot of lives and also create a lot of role models and create an ecosystem of entrepreneurs who all support each other. Because unless we all collaborate, we are never going to grow. So that is the intent behind this entire thing, because money is not the biggest thing, but how do we create that community? And that's what we are striving to do through our collaboration with AHA. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepthi. Yes.